When we want to capture a whole word in a string, there's a number of different ways to do it, but a very handy method is called a word boundary. So we are going to create a string that says this island is his, it is. So what we want to do is capture the word is, and you can see that lowercase I followed by lowercase s occurs a whole bunch of times in this string, and we just want to capture the actual word is. So here's our regex, and we'll start off by just capturing is, and we can see we're going to get that all over the place. We're technically capturing what we want, but we're also capturing patterns that we don't want. And we could try to get a little tricky with this and say it's is followed by a white space, and that kind of gets us there, but it includes this guy, and it doesn't include the is at the end. And if we try to do something like make that optional, we're pretty much back where we started. So the way we're going to do this is with a word boundary, and the way we identify that is with a backslash and lowercase b. So in this case, we're looking for words at this moment that start with is. It's a whole word that starts with is, and we've got our two ises, but we've also got island. So what we can do is add another boundary at the end, and what we're saying is that this word starts and ends with I followed by s. And now we've got our two ises in our string. We can also negate a word boundary by using backslash and uppercase b. So now what we're saying is we're looking for a word that contains lowercase I followed by lowercase s, but lowercase I followed by lowercase s is not the beginning of the word. So we get this and his, and we could flip that around and do it at the end. So backslash uppercase b after I followed by s means we're looking for a word that contains I followed by s, but I followed by s is not the end of the word, so we get island. We could also do this with something like history, which contains is, but it's neither the beginning nor the end. So if we keep that at the negated end version, that's going to work. And if we add the negated beginning version, we're going to get history as well.